of scrolling for hours, I decided to try 10 Pinteresty crafts. But wait, I don't know which one is worth making and which is completely disaster. So I am making all 10 crafts and at the end we are finding our one winner. First craft. Okay, we are starting with something I definitely did not expect to make, an exit sign. For this, take the cardboard, cut the cardboard into pieces as I did, and color the cardboard. I use red color and grey color. After that, draw exit sign in it and draw as you want. I am adding some leaf texture for looking good. You can make it more aesthetic by adding some butterfly and whatever you want. It's going to complete. Okay, wait. Why does it actually look kinda cool? I love this. Next one. For this, I'm taking a flower pot. I painted it and cut inside a heart shape and put some cotton into it. Then I take a green beads, take a wire and insert the beads into the wire to make a leaf-like structures. And I totally completed 7 to 8 wire and put the wire inside the cup. And this is how it looks like. It's really so beautiful. Third one is this foil textured something I don't know the name, but I don't have foil, so I take a Coke can and draw the texture into it. Extracting the texture into this is kind of hard for me, but I will do. And after that, I add some more elements into it. I add a chain and also I make a heart from the can and attach into it, and this is how it look like. Okay, next craft is this squishy. It's super fun, but for me, it's not like more useful things. But I make it because it's going so viral on the internet now. Taking on polythene seeds and adding some tools inside it and band it with bandit, and then make some cute eyes and a smile, and then I stick the prepared base to it, and now it's tasting time, and it's absolutely fun. It's so fun. Next one is this wine chant. People are making this with waste water, but I have this kind of something, so I use this because it's going to be perfect for this. I'm making it something goldfish type, Japanese type, because in Japanese goldfish is acting so much famous. So I'm using blue and orange color for this. And if you have limited time, then definitely try this because this craft is so easy and it's almost being ready in 5 minutes. And this is next craft is this chessboard jewelry holder. This is my favorite. So many. For this, I'm taking a cardboard, then color it with pink and white color chessboard pattern. Then I'm using clay, making some of the pastries and croissant with clay and stick this on my chessboard. After that, I'm just putting my jewelry, and this is how it done. It is so amazing. Then this polymer clay trinket tray. This is viral over internet from 2024, I think, and I definitely have to try this. So I'm making a little pastry cake which I'm going to stick inside the bowl. Then I am coloring it with yellow color and pink color. Draw some pattern inside it, and this is how it turns out. It is so satisfying. Next one is this jeans pocket frame, whatever this is called. If you doesn't have equipment and supply to make this, please don't try this. I don't have much equipment, so I just just trying to make this with jugaad, but my jugaad absolutely failed. Absolutely failed. I don't know what I am doing now, what I am making. In name of picture, I have only this which I draw by myself, and I don't like this craft personally. Don't know. I am just giving this minus. Next one is this glue gun craft. If I am talking about glue gun, I am so messy with glue guns. I absolutely mess created a lot of mess when I am trying to and going to use glue gun. Whatever, for this I make a butterfly pattern on this and stick a golden foil into it, then press it. Look, is this a butterfly? But I'm giving it two for my efforts. Then this jeans bag, it is viral over internet. I think will try this. All crafter try this, so I have to. For this, I cut the one sides of the jeans. Then I put the handle over, which I sealed it, and then I paint some flowers, some greenery, and some twinkling stars and whatever pattern I like, and then put a keychain into it, and this is ready. And I rate this 4 out of 5. And it's time to announce winner, and the winner is this. I absolutely love this. Thanks for watching.